Recoloring a piece of artwork in Illustrator is a very simple and easy thing to do. It's also a great way to save time if you're trying to edit colors of a lot of objects in a complicated image, though it can be used in very simple images as well. For this activity, I've given you an original image that is available for you to manipulate. You're going to start by taking your selection tool and selecting the object and making a copy. Remember, you can hold down your Alt or your Option key and drag a copy out, or you can say Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in order to paste another copy. You will need 3 total copies of this in order to do this activity. In order to adjust the colors, you must have anything that you are wanting to adjust selected first. Then we're going to go to the Edit menu, and we're going to say Edit Colors, and we're going to say Recolor Artwork. When this pops up, you're going to get this dialog box. If it comes up with a very simple, there's an advanced option box in the bottom right-hand corner, and it will switch you over to this more dynamic version. You have 2 different ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you both. The first is the edit option, where you can take these and drag them around, and I'm going to smooth this over so you can see as I drag my colors around that as they move, and I'm going to have this locked option to link my color harmony. As I move things around, it's going to link the harmony so that they stay kind of in place, matching the original harmonies I have here, which is the difference between the light and the dark of the hues. I can unlink them, however, if I want to individually place some of my colors. I have that ability to do because maybe I want a different color combination than what the computer is coming up with. That's the first way. I'm going to go to my second one and show you the other way that we can use that menu. Again, I'm under Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. And this time I can actually directly pick the colors I want. I can double click here to pick up my color slider and choosing a color that works for what I'm trying to do, and individually assign the colors that I want, selecting different colors based around what it is I'm trying to accomplish. I'm going to choose a nice bright blue this time. I'm going to say OK. You can also change the colors down here on the slider if you want to change them there. This is great where if you've picked a color you like, but maybe it's not bright enough or dark enough, you can adjust it here using these HSB sliders. You also have the ability to go into your swatches. Having the swatches available for you is really great if you're not sure how to pick out colors. There's also the way to come up with art groups, which are based up here. So this is just a great way to recolor your artwork quickly and efficiently and save yourself a lot of time. As I said, you can do very simple recoloring if you had a multitude of objects that were a series of colors. And I'm going to make these very simple. I'm going to make my background a different color. If I select these simple shapes and do the exact same thing, edit color, recolor, those 2 colors are also going to come up. And I have the ability to then come in here if I wanted blue instead, it will recolor all of those that are selected. That can be a much faster way to recolor multiple objects if that's your intended purpose, rather than having to individually click on this one, then I'm going to recolor. Oh, now I got to click on this one and individually recolor. Recoloring command speeds up the process quite a bit. Hopefully you'll find a lot of use for this activity and this concept in your future Illustrator work. Thanks.